mapapalad po tayo dito at nagnap natin itong Saturday nato dito sa Candelaria, Quezon at may papakita po na Kubota at ng Brigstone yung modernong makinarya natin na ginagamit sa pagsasaka at meron din tayong mga bagong implements na i-introduce.
Nais ko magpasalamat sa pagdalo nyo dito, pagbigay ng oras para makisalo sa selebrasyon namin. Tulad ng sabi kanina, selebrasyon. Alam nyo ba na ang month of May is FFM or Farmers and Fisher Folks Month. So every month of May, pinagdiriwang ng gobyerno ang mga magsasaka, mga mangingisda dahil tunay naman na kayo ang haligi or gulugod ng ating ekonomiya. Inaanyayahan ko kayo na buksan ang inyong isipan at i-explore nyo yung possibilities of how our machines can help you improve your farming. For us, our intention is basically to provide you the better machines that can help you in farming. Not only to make farming easier for you, but to make you more productive.
We promise to make it very enjoyable as well as educational, and also we want to give away a lot of prizes, no, to make it fun. So let's just enjoy the rest of the day at maraming salamat po.
Ngayon po sa ngalan po ng aming minamahal na Governor Dr. Rahel Tan, kayo po ay wini-welcome namin dito sa bayan ng Quezon at susuporta po kami sa mga proyekto na maging kapartner ang Kubota Philippines sa larangan po ng pagsasaka.
Salamat po sa inyong pagdalo sa araw na ito, and this afternoon, we are so glad and we are so happy to present to you our new financing product. No?
The Philippines, for the third straight year daw, is going to rank #1 rice importer around the world, globally. So maraming bagay ang kailangan magawa. One of the things is technology. That's why Kubota is here. And another important aspect of that is para pag-angin yung pag-acquire nyo ng isang high-quality product like Kubota is a financing option. So that's why nandito kami to offer you hopefully a financing solution that all of you will find very attractive.
2, 3! Congratulations, Kubota!
We hope that we can impart to you better ways of farming and how to make life easier for you.